Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Chesapeake Bay from Newport Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. James River from James River Bridge to Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4th Island Bay Bridge to Thimble Shoals, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near 1st Island Bay Bridge around 6:40 p.m. Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel Inlet Haven around 6:45 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The affected areas were